Relationship. Everyone have created a taboo of this word. Such a beautiful word which describes about two human beings. I'll be basically talking about the relationship between a boy and a girl, which are known as girlfriends and boyfriends nowadays. Hey, there's a smile on your face and you're happy. It's great, I know. The relationship between a boy and a girl is the purest relationship on the earth, if it is true. Due to the technological world we go through, the love now and then has been changed over a time. Nowadays, due to less communication and less understandings, children are getting lonely and searching for the love outside, basically in other genders. The Western culture is getting followed by us, and our culture is vanishing. In this type of situation, there is a mistake of everyone. Our parents, grandparents are not accepting the change, and it's easy for us to accept this as we are going through it. I'm not saying love is bad or dating is bad, but before that, think once, do you know really about yourself? Try to know yourself first, then understand and know the other person. By my opinion, the pillars needed for the relationship in 2020 are firstly, the trust. There should be trust between both of them, like the trust of a child is on their parents while they are learning to walk. And this will not come suddenly. It need to be grown gradually by time and need to water often. The second one is the understanding. This is a lot more important. Understanding will also grow with time. Need to give water and grow by knowing each other. The third one is the respect. The respect of each other. There should be respect for professional life, personal life of both of them. This will help them to grow with each other and achieve success together. The fourth one is the communication. This should be done on regular basis. By doing this, it will solve most of the problems. Fifth one is giving space to each other. Last but as important as others. Giving each other space will make each individual grow and achieve their goals and dreams. This will help their relationship to bloom. Hey, there are some points by my side. You can add many to this. These points give with every relationship we are in, like friends, sisters, brothers, colleagues, and many more. Achieve your dreams. Who have got their prince or princess, all the best to them and lots of love. And who are still single, don't worry. You will get them soon in your life. Till then, grow yourself mentally, physically, and most important, spiritually. Lots of love to everyone there. Thank you for hearing us.